Hi everyone, my name is Travis Walsh. I'm one of the wellness specialists and personal trainers here at Genesis Place. And today we're going to go over the assisted pull-up machine. With this machine, because it is a pull exercise, it is going to work the upper back muscles as well as the bicep. And this one is a little bit unique because this pad here uses a little bit of a counterweight. So for this one, the higher the weight you set it at, the easier it's going to be. So for this one, it's always going to be my body weight minus whatever weight I set it at. To get on and off the machine, how I'm going to start, I'm going to start with my hands on the handles. I'm going to kick one knee on. I'm going to slowly shift my body weight onto the pad here. And then once my arms are straight, I'm good to kick my other knee on. And then from here, I'm going to start with my arms straight. I'm going to drive these handles down while driving my elbows down. And then how I'm going to finish with my arms straight. I'm going to kick one leg on, and then I'm going to slowly shift my body weight off until I hear the weight stack hit, and then I'm good to come off. If you have any questions about the assisted pull-up machine or any of the other machines, you can always grab a wellness specialist off the floor at Genesis Place. Thank you.